You're about half his height.
I know. When we stood him up off the ground, I was like, "Holy shit, dude!"
Bro, I was drunk as fuck when I first got it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm sober now. I was drunk.
And I was telling him.
Alright, so the video for today is about this man right here. His name is Zachariah, and on July the 7th, 2024, just before 8 a.m., he made a poor decision that led to a series of other poor decisions that ended up getting him arrested and looking like an absolute fool on body camera. The first bad decision that he made on this day was he decided to go to a Dollar General and steal 2 bottles of wine, which he immediately went and consumed, and that's what led to the rest of his poor decisions. Here is the officer that is responding to the Dollar General. Let's hear what the employees at the store had to say.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Alrighty. So, the young gentleman that just came in and stole 2 bottles of wine has already been criminally trespassed from here because him and his younger brother was coming in throughout the end of the school year a lot and running out the back door. So we had him criminally trespassed to where they're not allowed in here.
Okay.
He came in here this morning, told him he wasn't allowed in here. He walked to the wine, grabbed 2 bottles of that pink wine on the top shelf.
Okay.
And as he's walking out, he said, "You know where I live, bitch," and then kicked my door real hard right there, popped it off track.
Okay.
She got it back on track. But he lives at 101 North Central right there.
Okay.
He's a tall, white young man.
Okay.
He's, I want to say, late teens, maybe early 20s.
Okay.
He's got a shaved head right here, but wears like a little pony like this.
Okay. Do you guys have his information and stuff from earlier reports? Do you have a report number?
I do not. My manager does. My store manager. I try to call her, but I can't get a hold of her.
Okay.
All I know is where he lives because I actually live down here. He took 2 bottles of this at
Okay, and they're
$15.
$15 a piece. Okay. Perfect.
And then, like I said, he kicked my door, knocked
Okay.
it off track. Now it's making a squeaking noise every time it shuts, but at least we got it popped back on track.
Okay.
And I'm glad the window didn't shatter.
Okay.
But
Let me go see if I can find this young man's information.
Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and skip ahead about 30 minutes because the stuff that happened in the last 30 minutes is not worth watching, and I watched it for you. So here's what happened. The officer went to the Dollar General. You already saw that. He got this kid's information, or at least the best that he could. They began searching the area for someone that matched the description, and Zachariah started running from the officers. Every time they saw him, he would be running through the houses. So they would drive their cruiser to the next street, next intersection. They would see him running some more. They ended up driving their cruisers around the block for about 30 minutes while Justin, drunk as a skunk, ran his little ass off. The part that you're going to see now is when the officers finally catch him. He was too exhausted to continue running, and they're going to use the force on him.
You better stop. Huh? Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
I'm not gonna fight you.
Roll over. Roll over.
Dad, please keep me.
Put your hands behind your back.
Don't let him kill me. Dad, please don't let him shoot me. Dad! I love you, Mama! I gotta go!
Get on the ground.
I love you, baby! I'm sorry!
Hey, stay right there. Stay right there.
I'm sorry I fought with you, baby! I'm sorry!
You good?
I'm sorry, baby.
Put them palms together for
No.
me, man.
Stay back there.
I don't got it. I don't got it, baby.
where's it at?
I don't know. I want to see you for a long time, baby.
I want you to roll your right side for me, my man. Right hip. Forward your
what,
right hip.
my
There you
nigga?
go.
Y'all about to take me to jail.
What's that?
I'm fucked. I'm going to jail. Fuck, I'm gonna listen to y'all for. I'm about to go to jail.
Hey,
I'm about to go to jail.
Relax.
I'm about to go to jail. My dad's dead. I have nothing left to lose. What the fuck are y'all about to do to me? Shoot me. Shoot me, bitch. Shoot me.
We're not going to do
Shoot me.
that.
Shoot me. Shoot me. Please fucking shoot me.
What's
I'm tired of living. Shoot me.
Well, we're not
Shoot me, pig. Fucking shoot me. I'm tired of living, bro. Babe, I'm tired. I'm spent. Look at me in my eyes, my nigga. I'm spent. Kill me. Kill me. Kill me.
Let's go.
Kill me. Come on. Kill me. Come on. I told you I'm not fighting with y'all. Why are you being violent?
We're not.
You are. You're sitting there grabbing the fuck out of me.
Pulled you up, laying on the ground.
I love you. I'll get you out, I promise. I promise.
My charges, you
Over a charge of legitimately just stealing alcohol.
Over this.
Just stealing alcohol.
I'm not going home.
Legitimately a $150
I'm not gonna
charge.
be- I'm not
That's it.
gonna
Go back over there.
I'm not gonna be home
You're
soon.
gonna be home. I promise. Your court shit ain't even been activated from your shit years ago. It's okay. It's $100. It's a $150 charge. That's fine. I'll get you out today or tomorrow. No, I'll get you out today or tomorrow. I love you. I want you.
Fuck you, bitch ass nigga. Fuck you, bitch. What you gonna do? What y'all gonna do?
Relax.
Fuck you gonna do? Shoot me.
All he's saying is fuck you to a person. Legitimately, you can't see
Shoot me, bitch. I don't care. I don't give a fuck.
Baby,
I'm
don't
18.
give
Do what you
yourself-
do.
Don't give yourself
Do what
more
you do.
time. Don't
Do what
give
you do.
yourself more time.
Fuck are they gonna do? Give me a resisting arrest?
Please. You're not even resisting. They can't even do that for
Yes,
you.
they're gonna give me a
Over there,
resisting arrest.
please.
They can't even give you. You can't charge me with anything. All I'm doing is talking to him. You can't charge me with shit. It's not against the law.
I'm sorry if I was just
I'm gonna get you out. I'm gonna get you out. I don't care. I don't care. You don't gotta say sorry. It's a $150 charge. You'll be out today or tomorrow. Period.
Oh, you
End
won't
of story.
see, but you can't afford it,
Baby,
baby.
I'm selling your phone.
afford
I'm
it.
sorry. I'm selling your phone. I got you.
Let me get in the bag.
I love you.
Just let me sit down. I'll get to my bag.
All right, I'm not sure if you caught exactly what was going on right there, but his girlfriend, who I'm assuming he stole 2 bottles of wine. He consumed one, she consumed the other, because the way she's acting, she clearly does not appear to be sober to me at all. But she is saying, babe, I know that you're going to have a $150 bond. It's only $150. I'll get you out of jail. I'm going to sell your phone. And you hear her saying, I'm sorry, I'm going to sell your phone. So she wants to sell his phone that probably cost him a lot more than $150 in order to get him out of jail. And then he'll be out of jail with no phone. He's going to be out way more than $150. But who knows? That's what their genius plan is, to get him out of jail.
Can I at least talk to him before you guys take him away?
You've been talking. Go over there.
I'm trying to be
I'm not
respectful,
gonna
y'all,
sit
but
here
I'm tired of
and
fucking living,
guys
bro.
don't charge me with anything if I don't.
Obstructing. Go over there.
That's not obstructing.
Yes.
Obstructing is me touching.
You're taking away from
How am I
us
taking away from
attention
anything?
to him.
How am I taking away from anything?
Go
You
over
got
there,
another cop.
please.
You have another cop. We're not talking
But I'm
If you're
tired
gonna
of fucking living,
If you're
bro.
gonna be cool with us, we'll let it
I'm
chat with
living,
you.
my nigga.
That's not
I did
obstructing.
hear.
Touching.
I did hear that you're
Everybody I love is dead, bro.
father passed
My
away
dad's
this day.
my dad's dead, my brother's dead, my cousin's dead, my uncles are dead. Nigga, I don't have shit left.
I understand.
I have nothing left.
Hey, listen.
Nothing left in the fucking world.
Quit
I have
busting
nothing left
your
in this world.
motherfucking head.
I have
You
nothing
got
left
it?
in this world.
Okay, calm
What do
down.
I have left?
Calm down. You
For
want
what?
your girl to talk to you?
For what?
You want your girl to talk to
At
you?
this point, I don't give a fuck. I love you, babe. Bye.
Yes or no on her talking
Yeah,
to
I
you?
want to talk to her, but if you're
Hey,
not gonna let me
listen,
talk
you
to her, you're
gonna
not gonna
calm
use it
down
against me. Yeah, I'm gonna calm down.
Okay, hey.
Just let him hug me. At least let me hug him. Do
I'm
something.
cool with that.
I can't just be taken
I'm
away
cool with
from
that. I need to back up real quick.
I can't be taken
All
away
right, come
from
here. Hey, listen.
the love of my
She's
life.
gonna
This
give
is
you a
the
hug.
father of
You got
my
it?
kids.
You gonna calm?
Yeah, I'll calm down.
Okay, come on. She's right here.
This is literally the father of my kids. I love you. I'll be there to get you out. I promise. I promise. Please don't do anything. Don't do anything
She's
stupid.
gonna be happy.
Please.
She's gonna be happy. Please.
All right, come on.
I'll get you out. I
Good.
promise.
Hey, thank you.
I promise.
Hey, you good?
I'm going to Jackson Pike. No, nigga, I'm not
We're
good.
gonna roll these windows down.
I'm going to Jackson Pike. I'm not good.
I got you. I got
I'm
you.
not good.
All right, you
I'm
better.
not good. No, I'm not better.
Okay.
I'm going to Jackson Pike, nigga.
All right.
Fuck you.
I'm not black though. You can't call me that, man.
Fuck what color you are, bitch.
I know you don't.
I'm going to Jackson Pike, nigga. I don't give a fuck like none of that.
Hey, Andy. Get out, goddamn! Hey, we get a wagon over here.
My feet are hurt.
Quit hitting your fucking head.
Well, then quit.
Like a little kid.
Bro, my nigga.
Like a little kid.
Kill myself.
Bam.
Shoot me. Can you shoot me?
Holy smokes.
When you want to shoot me, please?
We're in the alley, the rear, just south of 101 in the alley.
Okay, I copy. We don't have a wagon.
I just want to die. What's so fucking
Yeah, they just want to
hard?
bring one over here.
Dude, at this point,
Yeah,
bro.
somebody needs there, they can bring it.
Why'd I do this today? If I just agree to cooperate, can y'all just fucking take me down to Jackson Bike and hurry up and get this the fuck out the way?
Please.
You
Alright.
just got to calm down, man.
Bro, I'm
But if
going
you
to
keep-
jail, bro!
If you keep doing this,
How am I supposed
then
to
it
be happy?
prolongs everything.
You want me to be
I'm
happy?
not asking you to be happy. I'm just asking you to be cool so
Alright,
we
I'll
can get
keep
this
be cool
process
then.
going.
I'll be cool, bro. I'll be fucking cool. I just lost my girl, bro.
I don't
My girl's about to go-
understand,
bro.
but I understand why you're pissed off.
You understand why I'm pissed off? Can you honestly say you understand why? I haven't had
I've heard
nicotine in
everything.
fucking 12 hours!
I've heard everything that's going on. Okay?
I haven't had nicotine in 12 hours!
Okay. But are you going to be
And
calm?
I'm still not gonna have it. Yeah, I'm gonna be calm, but I'm still not gonna have nicotine. I need a fucking cigarette.
Okay. Is your
What
girl
would
got
I
a
have to
cigarette?
pay you to have a cigarette? No!
Okay. All right. If I get you up, you going to get in there?
Yeah, come on.
All right. Careful.
Yep. I got this shit, dog. I've been in a cop car before.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
This part of the video right here is something that's happened on my channel multiple times. I never had an opportunity to really explain it, but you see he was in the back of the cruiser banging his head against the back seat of the car, risking injuring himself. If you don't know this, as police officers, we can actually face discipline if somebody that we have under arrest gets themselves injured. We have to do what we can to prevent him from injuring himself. So in a case like this, where someone's beating their head on the back seat or on the front cage of the car, we rip them out, put them on the ground. If we have to, we will hold their head and protect them from injuring themselves. We'll then call for a paddy wagon. The wagons have these cots in them. We'll strap people down to these cots, put them in the back of the wagon, and if we have to, we'll ride back there and hold someone's head so that they can't beat it on the floor. In this case, luckily, he kind of came to his senses a little bit. They were able to put him in the car. They did not need the wagon, which is great because when you do call for a paddy wagon, it ties up a lot of resources and it's very frustrating. So they're able to get him back in the car. Let's see how the rest of the interaction goes.
3 hours later.
You're about half his height.
I know. When we stood him up off the ground, I was like, holy shit, dude.
Bro, I was drunk as fuck when y'all first got me. I'm not gonna lie, I'm sober now, but I was drunk.
And I was telling him if he would have just talked to us, we probably wouldn't have went to jail.
I doubt it.
How old's your brother?
15. He just turned 15.
Where's he at? Does he stay there or no?
Yeah,
He was probably walking back to the house when I was dealing up with the neighbor.
Okay.
he's my size. So
Yeah.
y'all would have seen he looked just like me, he's my size. He's a
Kid too.
He's a mini me.
He's staying up the road.
Yeah, he's not going back in the foster care.
Well, he's using him as a role model, so he's not staying out of trouble.
He is. I beat the fuck out that kid if he had.
Well, you gotta make better choices and be the
I was
role
going-
model for him.
I was going to work every day at before this. I was. God, today I'm gonna be honest. I've heard this 1,000 times, but today honestly was just a bad day. I woke up with my wife and I've been fighting with her since 6 a.m. this morning. I mean,
So you guys are not legally married, just street married.
no, we're not legally married.
Okay.
But we've been together for 4 years.
Okay.
All right, so at least luckily for the sake of Zachariah's dignity, he did sober up a little bit towards the end and was a little bit better towards the officer. So he kind of redeemed himself in this video. If you're wondering how he's doing now, on this day, he was charged with misdemeanor theft and obstructing official business because of all that stuff he did where he was running from the officers, running through the alleys and all the other kind of stuff. The theft charge was actually dismissed. The obstructing official business charge he pled guilty to, and he'd already done 2 days in jail. He was given a 90-day jail sentence for the obstructing official business. 88 days of that sentence were suspended, basically probation. If you're wondering how he's doing now and how that did for him, if that corrected his behavior and he became a model citizen after this, the answer is no, absolutely not. Early in 2025, it looks like he was indicted on January the 4th on a charge of aggravated robbery, 2 counts of felonious assault, and 1 count of discharging a firearm near prohibited premises. What this means is he was probably in someone's house, committed an armed robbery, and shot them or shot at them. Often this is also discharge into a habitation. So poor Zachariah, 18 years old, is not off to a very good start of his adult life.